electric jacks are replacing the clumsy hydraulic and manual car jacks. Innovation in these electric car jacks offer the user an easy time and eradicates the need to lie on the ground to operate the jack. There are many products available to choose electric car jacks, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best electric car jacks from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products are very helpful people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Marchin 5-ton electric car jack. Marchin multifunction electric car jack that will decrease your effort when changing flat tires. This portable hydraulic jack nearly matches all the autos, sedan, SUV, MPV, and truck. It will meet your multiple demands and help you, whether in your home, garage, road trip, or any other situation. It works with a 12-volt vehicle power outlet. This electric car jack has a powerful torque, and the hydraulic drive design enables it to lift vehicles weighing less than 5 tons. This jack is succinct to use. Just press the button on the top after connecting the power, and it will automatically lift or lower. With the help of Marchin hydraulic jack, the car can be lifted in less than a minute and will save much time. The electric car jack has a tire inflator pump installed. No need to worry about the tire being flat. And the compact and organized storage box is also equipped with an electric impact wrench, LED light, power cable, battery clamp connecting cable, and gloves. Marchin electric car jack structure is stable and secure. The floor jack will stop working when it lifts beyond the height limit or the weight exceeds its maximum load weight. It is suitable for outdoor use since the car jack is designed to be portable. Number 2. Best Equip 3-ton electric car jack. Best Equip electric car jack suitable for sedans, off-road vehicles, vans, light-duty trucks, or any vehicle that suits its capacity. It is also a useful tool for garages, repair shops, and families. It features a heavy-duty steel structure, large base, and saddle, making the car jack firm and stable. The powerful motor drives to ensure good transmission performance. The jack head uses a non-slip design and a cross-shaped groove plus particles protruding from the surface to increase friction. Its weight capacity is 3 tons and lifting height ranging from 12 to 45 centimeters. The two-way power supply allows getting power from the car battery and a powerful time-saving toolset with wireless remote. You can easily operate just by 2 switches on the remote control, and an electric impact wrench is included to disassemble the screws and quickly replace the tires. Farewell to laborious and tedious manual dismounting. It comes with a plastic storage box that can store all the accessories for easy transportation and storage, and the toolbox can be placed in a car or garage for your convenience. Besides, the tire pump will inflate the tire quickly and get your work done. You can easily change the tire without asking for help from others or going to the car repair shop. Number 3. ROGTZ 5-ton electric car jack. ROGTZ electric jack kit includes everything you need for road emergencies and proves to be very convenient for home purposes as well. The electric jack features a touchscreen, which makes it easy to use and read. This electric jack for cars has a 5-ton capacity and a lift range from 5.9 to 17.7 inches, which means it's suitable for both small and large vehicles. The high-speed electric impact allows you to quickly remove your car's lug nuts. This car jack electric has a built-in safety device to hold the weight of your car steadily, even when it's not powered. The electric car jack also comes with a built-in inflator pump and LED lights to ensure more visibility during the night. And this carrying case helps you to hold quite a few tools after using them. You will be able to connect this electric hydraulic jack to the 12-volt outlet or the car battery. Once plugged in, the jack reaches the limit of 16.5 inches within 2 minutes. Once plugged in and positioned properly, the jack stays securely on the ground and ensures safety for your vehicle. Number 4. ABN 3-ton electric car jack. ABN 3-ton electric hydraulic jack is used to lift different types of cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. The jack has the capacity to lift a maximum of 3 tons ranging from 6 to 17.5 inches. The hydraulic tank is totally enclosed, allowing you to use the jack at any angle without leaking oil. The self-locking structure ensures the jack is always stable. This electric jack is equipped with bright LED light to ensure you can work on flat tires virtually anywhere. The jack conveniently allows you to lift any type or model of vehicle with ease. It comes with inbuilt safety features that prevent the jack from failing and also ensure that the jack is strong and steady even without power. However, in case of an emergency, you can unlock the safety valve to ensure the jack falls quickly. In only 5 minutes, this jack will allow you to change a flat tire and resume your journey. The jack is very compact, easy to use and portable. Simply connect it to the 12-volt power outlet and flip the lifting switch, then jack will lift the car automatically. This jack's small design and simple operation make it perfect for emergency use to change a flat tire. Number 5. eHelp 5-ton electric car jack. eHelp electric car jack kit contains a portable ergonomic designed electric impact wrench and 2 sleeves with 2 sizes. The high power engine installed in the hydraulic jack nearly matches all the autos, sedan, SUV, MPV, pickup and truck. Powerful motor and precisely designed speed control system, making it possible to screw and unscrew in a very short time. This electric car jack kit can save you a lot of time and energy. This jack is hydraulic driven. It can lift vehicles within 5 tons in less than 2 minutes to its maximum height lifting range 6.1 to 17.7 inches. The hydraulic jack reaches its maximum height or the weight exceeds. The smart overload protection system starts working, and the electric jack will automatically stop lifting. The powerful hydraulic strength is more competitive than other car jacks. The tire pumping inflator is installed in the floor jack, equipped with a tire pressure display. You are able to monitor the tire pressure easily. This portable car lift with 2 LED lights helps find your lifting area and illuminate your working environment even in the dark midnight. Plus, the hydraulic car jack and power cable connections are waterproof and work even on rainy days. Whether in your home garage, road trip, car repair shop, farm or halfway emergency, this kit is truly multi-applied. This electric car jack kit ensures the safety of the operator and the car. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of question or problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is beautiful, so enjoy every bit of your life with our amazing products, as it is going to make your life so much easier. Thanks for watching my videos. Have a great day.